Hello, I'm Gary from WhiteKnights and I'm here today to give you a tour of number 35 Hanwood Close here behind me. So what we have here is a 3-bedroom end of terraced house right at the end of a cul-de-sac in North Woodley, and just along the road here, turn right and probably 5 minutes walk, you've got the Marks and Spencer's food store and other shops as well. The bus services are just at the end of the road as well, so really good location. So let's take you inside and we'll show you around. So first of all, just to give you an idea of the view from the front of the house, looking towards the road, and then the front garden, and the path here of course leads to the front door. So let's now take you inside. So we've got an entrance hall here. I'm just going to close the door behind me and then just turn round and show you the entrance hall. There's the front door with a side window there. So it's UPVC double glazing with this house. You can see we've got a coat hanging space there. On the left hand side we've got the downstairs WC. Let's just show you that. So this does have a window at the front, as you can see. So there's the low level WC. So just a small cloakroom with a radiator there. Does exactly what it says on the tin, as they say. So turning round here, this door takes you into the lounge dining room. I'll just give you a slightly better view of the lounge diner. There you go. So we've got a front aspect window, and there's a chimney breast there. So there's a fireplace facility behind there, currently boarded, but that could potentially be opened. Just need a specialist to look at that before you actually use it, but that facility is there. You can see we've got the staircase here. Just wandering down here, you can see the dining area. There's the dining table, and ahead of me we've got sliding patio doors there to the rear garden. That door takes you into the kitchen. Let's just spin round and give you another view of the lounge from this angle. We've got an understairs area there, as you can see, and then one more look at the dining area. So let's now take you into the kitchen. So into the kitchen, so we have units on 3 walls. To the right hand side here you can see we've got a fridge freezer space, eye level units and work surfaces. We've got a built-in oven with 4-ringed gas hob and a hood above. Just spinning round, you can see we've got a facility for the washing machine there, and then the sink unit over this side with eye level units above. Got a view down the garden. You can see we've got the UPVC double glazed window and the door in the middle there. Just a quick look at the garden. I will show you the garden at the end of the tour. We'll actually go out there, but then just spinning around one more time. Okay, so that's the kitchen. Let's now show you the first floor. So this is the landing. As you can see, the staircase coming up there from the ground floor. Quite nice banisters and balustrades there. So we've got 3 bedrooms and the bathroom up here. Just to my right here we have the airing cupboard. Let's start by showing you the main bedroom first, which is actually this one here. So, good sized bedroom. As you can see, full width window at the end, and we have the bed in situ there. Lots of space for wardrobes, drawer units, that sort of thing. So, good size bedroom 1. Let's now just reverse up and make our way across. This is bedroom 2. So as you can see, it's a virtually empty room, but it is a double room. Hopefully the camera will show you that. So that's a front aspect window there. But what's also interesting with this bedroom is on the right hand side we have double and single built-in wardrobes. And then finally the third bedroom. So this is at the rear. I'll show you a view out the rear in just a second. So this is a single bedroom. Just panning around. We've got sort of space behind the door here as well. And then just quickly looking out the window, you can see lots of trees. I'll show you the garden in a moment, of course. And then last but not least, we've got the bathroom. So it's at the other end of the landing. It's a white suite, as you can see straight away. Radiator there on the right with the pedestal wash basin. There's the front aspect window, and then just panning round, we have the WC there as well. So that's the first floor, and then to finish this tour, let's show you the rear garden. And finally into the rear garden. Here we go. You've got a low maintenance garden here. As you can see, it is laid to a patio. We've got the sort of formal patio area here, which is block paving, and then the more traditional patio area is then the remainder. As you can see towards the end, let's have a quick wander. You can see we've got a brick-built barbecue on the right hand side, and also a garden shed. So just to let you know, beyond the fence here, we have an area of woodland, as you can see, and it takes you down to the railway cutting. So the railway is just over the back. You may have noticed a train has just gone by, which is certainly not intrusive at all. And just alongside there, we've got the rear access. So this takes you to the front. So the rear garden does have its own rear access. I'm just going to pan around and show you the back of the house to finish the video. And there we are. That's number 35, Hanwood Close. Any questions you may have, do give me a call. My name is Gary, and the number's on the website, and it's the same telephone number if you like to arrange a viewing. Thanks for watching.